Students, then you write this question. Draw the axis and mark the following points. Axis and mark the following points. Here the word axis means the plural form of axis. That is together x-axis and y-axis. Okay, then below the right question, because three questions are there. Question number 1 contain 4 points. A 3, 5, B 2, -1, C -3, 4 and D -3, -3. Okay, here, this is the point 1, 2, 3. Three questions are there. Here first we do the question number 1. Okay, question number 1. What we can do here? First we draw the axis. What is axis? That we studied x-axis and y-axis. What is x-axis and y-axis? X-axis is the horizontal line and y-axis is the vertical line. Therefore, you draw a horizontal and vertical line using scale and pencil. It's clear. Scale and pencil. Don't draw using pen. Use your scale and pencil. 2 perpendicular lines and mark the points also there. Mark the points. It's not yesterday we discussed what is the horizontal line. It is not mere a line. A line contain numbers. It's a number line. Okay. The x-axis and y-axis are number lines. Then you draw like this. Clear? ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ x-axis y-axis ആണ് വരച്ചത്. എല്ലാവരും ഇത് വരയ്ക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കണം. Perpendicular lines. You draw the perpendicular line first and mark the points. ഈ പോയിന്റ്സ് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഈക്വൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആയിരിക്കണം. സ്കെയിലിൽ 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് വരച്ചാൽ 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ. 0 നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. മാർക്ക് ദി റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ്. ഈ സൈഡിൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആണ് 1, 2, 3. ഇത് വെറുതെ ഇങ്ങനെ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതല്ല. യൂസ് യുവർ സ്കെയിൽ ആൻഡ് 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ്. 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എടുക്കാം. ഈക്വൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആവണമെന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. What is the distance from 0 to 1? It is same as 1 to 2 to 3, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, like that. Okay. This is the origin, point origin. Right side positive numbers you mark and left side negative numbers. Okay. Using the negative numbers. And this is y-axis. Y-axis. The y-axis upward. Positive numbers. You mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And 0, -1 downward negative numbers. I think it's clear how you mark how to draw x-axis and y-axis. Clear ആയിട്ട് വരയ്ക്കാൻ പഠിക്കാം. Then next step is mark point on this plane, rectangular plane. It is called a rectangular plane or a xy plane, or it is called xy plane. Okay, and also it is known as Cartesian plane. Why Cartesian? It is associated with the famous mathematician René Descartes. René Descartes as a mathematician, he was introduced firstly this plotting points. That's why this plane is known as Cartesian plane. I think you will study later this. Then we mark next step is mark the point A35. The first point is A35. We read it as 35. 3 stands for. Yesterday we discussed what is 3 and 5 stands for. 3 is x coordinate and 5 is y coordinate. What is the meaning of x coordinate? It is the distance from origin along x-axis. That is 3. Here this is the origin. The point is 3, 5. Listen. The point is 3, 5. Therefore, we write here 0 to 3 here. 0 to 3. Okay, 0 to 3. This is 3. And 5 is there. You draw the perpendicular to 5. This is 5. Along y-axis 5. You draw like this 5 and 3. This is the meeting point. We can mark that meeting point is 3, 5. I'll mark there 3, 5. Okay, that is the point. 3, 5 is the point. Then how we mark that? How we mark there? 3, 5. This is the point 3, 5. Here 3 is there. Here 3 and here 5. 3, 5 is the point we can mark. Here 3, 5 is the point. Once again I'll mark there. It is not known. Here 3, 5. 3, 5 is we can mark. Okay, this is the point 3, 5. Clear? 3, 5. A point is marked. A point marked there. A point marked 3, 5. How it comes? Along the x-axis it is 3 and along the y-axis 2. After that you name the point there. Here the name the point. What is the name? Point name is A. Therefore you can give it as A there. Okay, A is the point. You mark it there. A. The point A is the point. Okay, point A. After that write its coordinate. Coordinates also. What is the coordinate? Coordinate is 3, 5. Coordinate is 3, 5. Then mark the coordinates also. How you mark the coordinates? 3, 5 is like this. Here like this 3, 5. A 3, 5. This is the point of representation of the point. A 3, 5. Okay, next point is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Here along the x-axis 2. Along the x-axis 2 and y-axis minus 1. Minus 1 stands for downward direction. This is 2 positive and minus 1 is there. Therefore, what is the meeting point of this? You can mark here. This is the point. This is the point. Okay, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is there. 2 minus 1. Therefore, you can mark the name. Give the name also there. What is the name of the name is B. You can give the name. You mark it is there. The name of the point is B. Name of the point is B. After that you write its coordinate also. What is the coordinate of that point? Coordinate of the point is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Then write that 2 minus 1 also. Here you can write the 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1. Therefore we mark the points A and B. Then you mark C. Minus 3, 4. X coordinate is minus 3 and Y coordinate is 4. X coordinate minus 3, that is left side. This is this point minus 3. Y coordinate is 4. Where is minus 3 and 4? Along the x-axis minus 3. Y coordinate is 4. Therefore, this is the meeting point. Meeting point of minus 3 and 4. You can mark a point or you can a dot mark or a into mark is there. You can mark into mark or a dot mark. This is the point minus 3, 4. Minus 3, 4 and name the point. What is the name of the point? Name of the point is C. Then you write the name there. C is the point and also you write its coordinate. What is the coordinate? Coordinate is minus 3 and 4. You write the coordinate using bracket. Okay, this is the coordinate. We can write this minus 3, 4. Okay, minus 3, 4. Then what's the next point? Minus 3, minus 3. Where is minus 3? Minus 3 comes along x-axis it is minus 3 and y-axis is also minus 3. This is minus 3 and here also minus 3 and mark the point there. How you mark the point there? Minus 3 is there. This is minus 3 and y-axis also minus 3. Therefore the meeting point is here. This is minus 3 is if you draw like this. If you want you can draw a grid there. Therefore you can understand that how it's come clearly. Therefore the minus 3 is there. This is the minus 3 point. This is the minus 3 point. Therefore we can mark here. This is the point. Okay, this is the point and name the point. What is the name of the point? Name of the point is D. It is given in the question. Therefore name of the point is D. Then after that you write its coordinates. Its coordinate is minus 3. Then you write minus 3 also. Then this is the coordinate of that point minus 3. Okay, then here this is the method of drawing axis and marking the points. You thoroughly understand that. Clear? ഇതെല്ലാവർക്കും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന പ്രോബ്ലം ആണിത്. എല്ലാവർക്കും എക്സ് ആക്സിസ് വൈ ആക്സിസ് വരക്കാം, പോയിന്റ്സ് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യാം, ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള പോയിന്റ്സ് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. ഇനി ഇതിലെ സെക്കൻഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും തേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ ചെയ്യുക. യു ഡ്രോ ദീസ് ആക്സിസ് സെപ്പറേറ്റ്ലി. ഓക്കെ, നോട്ട് ദിസ് പോയിന്റ്. This is the first one, and the second one you draw the axis separately and mark the 5 points. Then for doing third question, you draw again axis and mark the